Hi everyone, I have today a video how to put an external HDD in PS3 Super Slim. So, first of all, you disconnect the PS3 charge and the cables, and this is the front, as you can see. Then you turn it. You have a piece of plastic. You push it from the side, the bottom side, the power, like this. It will tick. Then slide like this. I have the HDD in there. It's easy to put. Then after that, you must need a 2-piece of sponge and 2 pieces of plastic, anything plastic like this. And what you're gonna do, put one under the HDD and one from the top, and then there's 2 pieces, one from here and one from here, like this. Don't push it too far. Okay, after that, get back the slide, the plastic, and put it, and just like this. If you put it in the first time in the PS3, the PS3 will tell you a message if you need to change the media from the 12 gigabyte, the interior, to the 500 HDD. I will show you the message when you connect.
So now I will turn it on. Okay. Yes. Okay. To restart. Okay, I don't have any information, so I will go to the system. System information. As you can see, hard disk, and I have 400 gigabytes free space. Thank you guys for watching.